This first recipe, you're going to need some styrofoam and some 100% acetone, which is basically just nail polish remover. And according to the recipe, you just pour it inside your foam, and wow, it's disintegrating right before my eyes. Okay, so wow, this is awesome. This is definitely a slime. Okay guys, so this recipe says if you mix flour and body wash, that you can make slime. So I'm just going to try it out. You want more flour than body wash. That's the ratio they said. So I'm just gonna stir this up. I'm just gonna do like probably a speeded up video of me making this because I don't want to waste your time. So I see it kind of clumping up. I'm going to pour it onto my counter and do a time lapse of me kneading it. Okay, so now that it's done being kneaded, I'm gonna go clean everything up and get back to you guys. So I've cleaned up and everything, and here are my thoughts on this slime. I rate this slime a 4 out of 10 just because it's a little bit fun to play with, but it's not very stretchy. It's like Play-Doh, just a little bit stretchier. But if you've seen people do this on YouTube, what they'll do to make it look like better is they'll just add a layer of the soap on the top to make it clicky, like this. But yeah, this slime recipe, I would not make it again just because it's kind of wasteful that you're using flour for this. And if I were you, if I was doing this, don't keep this for more than 2 days because it will get moldy and it'll make you sick. So I wouldn't recommend keeping this for more than 2 days. I will not be keeping this because I don't want it to get moldy at all. But yeah, so I'm just gonna give you some of this slime's ASMR and leave.